Tired of? Pop a fErNaNdO in vOcHo. Follow these pro tips. Step 1. Choose one of these vehicles. This is the order. Step 2. Choose a place full of the enemy's fanboys. Step 3. With your vehicle, have domain off your area while destroying vOcHos. Example. Step 4. Go back in time and stop vOcHo spreading. 5x cringe dialogue. Now forget cringe dialogue and focus on destroying the car and move on. If it doesn't work, try this instead. Leave the car in the river. Let's suppose aLeJaNdRa doesn't know how to swim. And done. You deleted the fans and air conditioners off vOcHos. In case there are any more of them, repeat step X and profit.